Hey friends, we're back at the London Bridge today, and today we're going to take the ferry over to the California side. It's $4 a person, it's very inexpensive, and we'll take you along with us. There's the ferry that ferries you back and forth between California and Lake Havasu.
At a cost of $4 round trip per person. It actually takes you across Lake Havasu to California. California is on the other side over there.
This is the beginning of our state park where we're staying at from the London Bridge side. And we go around the end of this spit here, and you might be able to even see our trailer. We're coming up upon another lighthouse. There's a total of 28 of these miniature lighthouses all over Lake Havasu. They are built to the specifications of the other ones, just miniature. There's one here, this white and red one, and then if you can see way over there's a black and white one. And there in the distance, you can see the rest of the RV park, or the state park. And I'm trying to find our trailer. We may not be able to see it. It's
Right there. You need to be where the people are walking.
Here's the scenery from the other side of the boat. The city of Lake Havasu off there in the distance. We're here. It was only about a 15-minute boat ride in total. Thank you. Now they funnel you right on into the casino here. We'll walk through here. Well, it looks as though there's not much over here. There's the RV park. We can walk around the backside here, but that's it. There's an RV park. And there's a casino right off the boat. But as you can see, there's not much else here. And here's the other side of where we were. Nice little beach. Just a casino and hotel over here, as I can see. And so we'll just get back on the boat, go back over. Hello. There's Lake Havasu City. And there's the state park, and that last trailer on the right is our trailer. The back of our trailer is the beach.
We're now going to cross over the London Bridge. And this is an island. But I think when they put the bridge in, the channel that they made to accommodate the bridge created this island over here. Have no idea what's over here. Does not look like much. Like there might be a few resorts, a golf course.
Yep, doesn't look like a lot. Houses maybe.
A walking trail, I see.
Bar and grill, golf course. Looks like some condos.
Nice houses.
Houses, beautiful.
And it looks like this is the other side of the island. Another lighthouse over there that we've been taking pictures of. There's another lighthouse. There's
Lake Havasu City.
There's another lighthouse. I was really kind of surprised at how big Lake Havasu City was. I was thinking it was just kind of a small resort town, but there's quite a few people. I think like 60,000 people that live there. Brought us back to the main road that we came in on, so that was just kind of a whole circle of the island there. And we'll go back over the bridge and get back onto the mainland.
Now it's lunchtime. It's pizza, ice cream.
Pizza and ice cream.
All in a day.